Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove Buy Now button in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing would be just to check for any plugins that you are using. So in my case, I already have some Buy Now plugins that I added, so it can add the feature of the Buy Now button. And simply, if you had some plugins, all you need to do is to go to settings. For example, here I'm using this plugin here. Let's just search for our plugin, and basically I have this custom text, and I have other add buy now or buy now button, and simply you can find it here. Let's just search for our one, and if you have it like here, buy now button, you can either disable it, so as you can see, enable button on the single page, the shop, etc. So you can simply have it like not displayed, and by that you will have your button that will be hidden. Another way is just by disabling totally the plugin, and basically you need just to search for the plugin, and let's just look for it. And as you can see, this is my plugin. I can simply click on the activate, and I will have the button that will be disabled or hidden. Another way to do it again is to go to customize, and basically you will need just to know the class name of your button, and you will need just to go to additional CSS, and basically if its class was by now button, just as an example, you will need just to check for it. You will need just to add a display and make none, and from here you will have your buy now button as not displayed, but make sure that you have your class name correct. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.